Former President Donald Trump is once again in the spotlight with his bold claims. This time, he alleges that Vice President Kamala Harris faked a photo of a crowd at one of her rallies using artificial intelligence. Trump backs these claims by saying the image looks unusual and insists that Harris's supporters were not as numerous as the photo suggests. The photo in question shows thousands of Harris supporters in Detroit cheering as Harris and her running mate, Governor Tim Walz, arrived. Even though the picture has been verified by experts and matches other footage from the event, Trump's supporters have been circulating the idea that the image was digitally manipulated. Various experts, including Hani Farid from UC Berkeley, have examined the photo and found no evidence of AI manipulation. Despite this, Trump continues to push his narrative, taking to his social media platform, Truth Social, to declare that Harris cheated using technology. He goes as far as to claim this is a form of election interference and should disqualify her. This isn't the first time Trump has been fixated on crowd sizes. During his presidency and earlier campaigns, he often boasted about the number of attendees at his rallies, sometimes inflating numbers significantly. For instance, Trump falsely claimed that his crowd on January 6, 2021, rivaled that of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous 1963 speech, despite official sources reporting far fewer attendees. Harris's campaign responded by pointing out that the large turnouts at her rallies are real and verified by various news outlets. They jested that Trump hadn't campaigned in a swing state for over a week, hence his frustration and need to cast doubt. It's also noteworthy that Harris's rallies have featured popular entertainers like Megan Thee Stallion, which could naturally attract more attendees. The liberal media reported this episode with a tone of ridicule towards Trump's disbelief and continued obsession with crowd sizes. They emphasized Trump's history of making false claims to boost his image and question the motives behind his accusations. Meanwhile, conservative media align with Trump, casting doubt on Harris's rally sizes and supporting the narrative of technology manipulation. For many, this situation is a clear example of how deepfakes and AI can become tools for misinformation, even when there is no real use of such technology. The conflict showcases the broader issue of believing false information that suits one's viewpoint, further dividing public opinion as the presidential campaign continues. Both sides seem more interested in degrading each other than addressing the core issues at stake for the American people.